Good morning. Today we're going to start with the E major scale and then do A minor. So we got two scales to do today. This is the third video of ages 6 through 9. So we've learned a lot of scales already. We learned D, and we had we learned G. Let's go back. G had one sharp, D had two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Then A, the last one we did, had three sharps, which was F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So E has four sharps, and it's these two and these two. So that's the way I like to think of it. It's F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. But you don't need to go back and forth. You can think F sharp, G sharp, and then C sharp, D sharp. And it's a 3 plus 5 scale, 3 plus 5. So we go 1, 2, 3, and then thumb, and then two more sharps, and E. And back down, two sharps, two white keys, two sharps, and a white key. It's very symmetrical. Again, there's a white key and two sharps, two white keys, two sharps, and a white key. And that three finger being on a sharp kind of helps your thumb go under. Now left hand. Three over to the sharp. Back down. So again, E, two sharps, two white keys, two sharps. Now, we've played the E chord before. In the key of A, it was the 5 chord in the key of A. But in the key of E, E is the 1 chord. E, G sharp, B. If we go up 4 notes, we get the 4 chord, which is A major. It's just the last one we did. A, C sharp, E. 4 chord, A, C sharp, E. Now, this one's a little different. The 5 chord is B, and there's a D sharp and an F sharp. So what you really want to do is slide your pinky forward so you can keep your hand straight. Don't try to twist your thumb. Just move everything up, and it's B, D sharp, F sharp. That's your 5 chord, okay? Then the cadence is it's really like the A. In the key of A, your cadence, you had a sharp here, a sharp here. In the key of E, you have a sharp here, back to E, 5, 7, sharp down there. Remember, your 5, 7 is always just a half step. So if it's a sharp, it's a sharp. 1, 4, 1, 5, 7, 1. Again, and these arpeggios are super easy. You got to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, 2, 3, 4. And then the intervals, you remember the scale. It's just like going up the scale note by note. 1 is E. Second, E, F sharp. Third, E, G sharp. Fourth, E, A. Fifth, E, B. Sixth, E, C sharp. Remember the two black keys. Seventh, E, D sharp. And octaves. Okay? Now, we're going to switch gears and we're going to do one more scale today. And this is the A scale, A minor. Okay? So the harmonic minor scales are different. And what you want to remember, I guess, is the A harmonic minor is related to C. So if you do a C scale, there's no sharps or flats. And here in the key signature, there's no sharps or flats. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now in the harmonic minor, we have to put the G sharp. Number 7 and number 8 have to be a half step. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then make your half step. Kind of like a major scale has a half step at the end, the harmonic minor scale has a half step at the end. So A again, do it with me. A, B, C, thumb, D, E. Okay, and I'll do the left hand. I'll do it in the same spot. A. And then the 7 goes up to the sharp. Keep the notes the same. Same notes going down. Okay? So again, if we remember the A minor scale, really, the key signature is open. It doesn't have any sharps or flats in it. We need to have that G sharp because when we do the 5-7 chord, you remember that half step down? And this is another thing. The 5-7 chord is the same if I was doing A major, 5-7. If I'm doing A minor, the 5-7's the same. So anyway, our 1 chord, A, C, E, going up 4 notes, D, F, A. Notice this is D minor too. There's no F sharp because there's no F sharp in our scale. D, F, A is the 4 chord. And if I go up to the 5 chord, it's E, G sharp, B. The 5 chord always has to be major. That's why we have a sharp there. And then back to the 1 chord. And again, our cadence, 1, go up to 4. You got it? Back down to 1. And then the pinky down a half step, 5-7. Back to 1. And we should do it with both hands. So right hand, 1, 5-7. One more time. Okay, and the same thing, if we remember the scale when we do intervals, 1 is A, 2 is AB, 3 is AC, D is A, as a 4 is AD, a 5th is AE, a 6th is AF, and the 7th is AG sharp, and octaves A. So there you go. I think we have one more day left, 2 more scales. So practice those, go back again and watch this video and do it with me. Bye-bye.